back to my YouTube channel. My name is Isodua, and if you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. I know it's been a long time I posted any video on my channel, but things have been happening. I'm back. I want to do something today. Okay, so I'm 9 weeks pregnant, and I really want to know the gender of my baby. And this is gonna be my number 3. I have 2 girls already, and my girls they've been saying that they want a brother, and we started trying since January when I took out my IUD, and finally we were able to get pregnant in July. So it took us like 6 months, yeah, after we took out the IUD to get pregnant again. So I bought the sneak peek what's it called, the sneak peek gender, is that what it's called? Yeah, I bought it on their website. Actually, sneak peek. This is the package, and they said it's 99% accurate, and I want to know, but if it turns out to be a girl at the end of the day, that's fine. As long as I have a healthy baby, I'm good. And if it turns out to be a boy, awesome. That means what we prayed for is what we got. We prayed for a boy. So, but either way, if it goes either way, we're not going to be disappointed, because all children come from God, and it says in His Word that children are the heritage of the Lord. So, any child that comes to us, we believe and we know that they're straight from God, and they have a purpose on earth. So I'm going to do this sneak peek, and let me show you what I've done. They said if you want to have an accurate result, you have to clean the surface. You can't do it in the kitchen, you cannot do it in the bathroom. It has to be on a clean surface outside of places that can easily get contaminated. So I'm going to be using my dining area. I already cleaned it with Clorox. Let me show you the Clorox. I already cleaned with Clorox. I cleaned the area, not the whole dining area, just a little bit. And then I went ahead, let me show you what I'm saying. This is where I'm going to be using. I went ahead, after cleaning, I put a paper towel, just extra protection, on the little part of the table I'm going to be using. So without further ado, I'm going to take it out. I washed my hands like twice already, and I'm going to be washing my hands again, but I want to take the sneak peek out of the package. And they said if you want an accurate result, you cannot have a male around. My husband has gone out, so I want to quickly do this before he comes back. Yes, I want to quickly do this before he comes back, and then quickly, like pretty much almost immediately, go and post it. I'm going straight to the mailbox. No, not mailbox, because it's going to be slow. I'm going straight to the post office to send this right away before my husband comes back. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And after taking it out of the package, I'm going to wash my hands for the 3rd time, and I'll allow it to air dry. I cannot dry with paper towel or a towel. I'm just going to air dry it, and then we start. And we told that we have to drink water 20 minutes before. So I've taken some water like 10, almost 15 minutes before it goes. So I'm going to just take it out and put it on the surface, and straight ahead wash my hands again for the 3rd time and air dry. So let's take it out together. I'm going to be checking gender doing the scan. So I'm going to show you guys if it's accurate or not. So there are a lot of people, many moms have been saying that it's been accurate, while few people are saying their review that it's not accurate. They found out that they're having another gender different from what sneak peek told them. So this sneak peek, this is how it looks like. We're gonna take blood from your finger, I bought the cheapest one, which is the one with the lancet. There's lancet. There's the one with snap. The snap is you're gonna put on your arm. I bought the cheapest one because in case it doesn't come out right, then I'm not gonna be hurt. But the cheapest one, when I say cheapest one, it's still expensive, like $55, and it was on sale. It's supposed to be 65, but it was on sale. So after taking out the blood and everything, this is okay. This is what I'm going to put on the package. This same package. So it looks so small. So I'm going to put the package, this one aside. All right. So taking that out, I need to do it quickly. Okay, it's easy to take out actually. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and there's something here, I don't understand what that is. So I'm going to put this down on the table and go ahead and wash my hands. So I'm going to air dry my hands. I wash my hands for 20 seconds, singing the happy birthday song for 20 seconds. That's what I did. So I'm going to let it air dry. I cannot dry it with paper towel just in case there's any contaminants on there. I cannot dry with towel. It might have just some germs on it. So I'm just going to. I'm having fun, by the way. So I made a mistake though. I'm supposed to position this camera right here. I'm gonna go back and wash my hands. I'm gonna go back and wash my hands. Let's see. Okay. Woo. Look at my belly. 9 weeks. I'm measuring ahead. I went for the ultrasound today to check, my baby, and I was told that I was measuring like 4 days ahead. So I'm supposed to be like nine weeks and 1 week, 1 day actually, 9 weeks and 1 day, and I'm according to the ultrasound 9 weeks and 4 days, so 5 days. So yeah. Some water here, just a little bit. This one almost dry. My nails have been growing long and so beautiful. Look at that. Thanks to the hormones and the prenatals. Okay, I think I'm almost through. Just have my pinky left to dry and this side. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this though, but whatever. We're doing it. Okay, I'm gonna open this package. It says prior to taking your sample, activate your kit using the unique barcode below. sneakpeektests.com/activate. Okay, I'm going to do that later because I already opened it with my clean hands. All right, so it says boy or girl, get ready to find out. So this is the barcode, still the back barcode. I'm going to be doing this later, so I'll drop it somewhere there. And this is the instruction. I hope I'm doing this right. This is the instruction. So activate the kit and submit your information. Okay, I'm gonna do that. This is the instruction. So prepare for a sample collection. Avoid male contact, even male pets, with contents of test kit. That's why I'm doing this, because my husband is not here. Locate a flat counter or table surface to collect your sample. I did that already. Thoroughly clean surface with household cleaner or warm soapy water. I cleaned with household cleaner, which is my Clorox. Drink a full glass of water 20 minutes before starting. I did that already. Sanitize hands. Okay. Oh, I still have to wash my hands. Okay. Alright, so this is just an advert to buy their Doppler, which I'm not buying. Okay, so we have, this is the collection, little box right here. I'm gonna lay it here. We have 3 lancets in here. 3 lancets, in case one doesn't work, and then you're able to use the other one and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that here also. And we have a tourniquet for your wrist, because you're gonna get the blood from the finger. So this is the tourniquet, which I'm going to use my left hand, because that's where we have our heart on the left side, so it's gonna flow more on the left side. So this is the tourniquet for the wrist to get enough blood to come out, and this is the brush for me to use to wash my fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hand again, which is okay as long as we do it right. I don't mind. And then we have a sticker right here, stickers for me. Okay, so, and so there's a place we have to insert the tube right in there, the little hole in there. You insert the tube and drop your blood in the tube. There's a tube right there. So set up collection tube and lancets. Number 5, 3. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands before I set up anything. Okay, get the blood flowing by making a fist and then close tightly for 10 times, and then you get the blood to flow. Put wrist on, the wrist tourniquet on, and then we go ahead and do that. So before I do that, I'm gonna wash my hands for the 4th time. I really want to get this. So before I wash my hands, I'm just gonna quickly activate the kit and then wash my hands, and then with this brush, I'm gonna wash my hands with that. I know the instruction already. I know what to do, and I'm gonna go right ahead and do that. So activate real quick, and then okay, I'm ready. This is the tube, and there's a gauze in here. I have to leave it alone because I'm gonna put, when I'm done, I'm gonna leave the tube in there. So I'll be putting the tube here and here. So this is my tourniquet. I have to do this 10 times. Okay. And I'm wearing the wrist. Ooh. I'm wearing the wrist tourniquet. It looks dirty though. I'm bringing out the lancet. I still have something to clean my finger with. I'm gonna open everything up. clean the finger I'm going to be using. I'll be using the middle finger because I feel like there's more blood in there. It's either I use the middle finger or this ring finger. That one. Blood comes in there very well, flows in there. So I'll do this one. I'll let it dry. While it's drying up, I'll just take this out. Okay. This is where ooh, that hurts. It's so insane. I don't have blood in my body. I'm trying to get blood. I'm struggling here. Oh my god. Even with the tourniquets. And I've already used up 2 lancets. This is what I could get. Tiny blood. This is the last time, and whatever I get, I'll send it like that. Whatever I get, I send it. Send it. I didn't get enough blood, so I might get inconclusive, or they might be able to use the blood, you know. So this is it. I'm going to package it and go send it now. This is where the label is supposed to go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the end of the sneak peek. It took me a long time because I don't have enough blood. I tried everything. Alright, so I'm gonna send it to the post office, and then in 3 days I'm supposed to get my result. So I will show you guys the result and then do my scan, gender scan at the right time, around 20 weeks. Then I'm gonna let you know if it's accurate or not. Alright guys, bye.